the Osmo Pocket 3. It may look small, but the features offered by this camera are incredible. Why should you choose this over latest smartphones, like an iPhone or Samsung? The Pocket 3 can record 4K 120 FPS video with 3-axis stabilization with having 2-inch touchscreen display. This device is a complete package for content creator. Here are a few things you need to know before buying this vlogging camera. Pocket 3 is DJI's third update to the lineup, designed to make capturing smooth, high-quality content easy and enjoyable. It's a pocket-sized camera with built-in stabilization, perfect for filming fast-moving action, vlogging, or cinematic shots without the need for a bulky setup like a mirrorless camera and a DJI Ronin RS3 gimbal. The camera offers a variety of features and modes, with its primary use being for basic video. Occasionally, I also use it to take photos, primarily for YouTube thumbnails. For videos, I use it as a POV camera, hand it to someone to film me, or set it up on a tripod with one of the smart tracking modes to follow me around. Build quality. I have not experienced any major issues with my Pocket 3. The only problem I encountered was with the gimbal getting sticky when going to sleep or waking up. Occasionally, when I switched the camera on, the gimbal would get stuck in the closed position and require a little push to open. Similarly, when going to sleep, the gimbal would get stuck just before going into the sleep position and need some assistance. This occurred about a month after I purchased it, but the issue has since resolved itself, and everything is functioning well now. Other than that, I have had no issues. I have two major concerns about this camera. Firstly, it is not weather sealed at all, and even the micro SD card slot is fully exposed. While this may not be an issue for many people, it has prevented me from filming on a few occasions. Secondly, the camera seems a little brittle. You definitely wouldn't want to drop it headfirst. However, I have accidentally gotten it wet in the rain and dropped it once, and both times it was okay. Finally, it's worth mentioning that there are regular firmware updates that add features and remove bugs. The most surprising thing about this camera is the image quality. It has a 1-inch sensor, which results in more background blur and better low-light performance. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. The dynamic range will never be as good as a proper camera, but it's better than any other pocket-sized camera I've used. When shooting in D-Log, you have a lot of flexibility for grading and correcting. As for photography, I've only used it for thumbnails, and the results speak for themselves. I'm not a technical person, so instead of boring you with copy and paste specs, below are screenshots from video footage and some photos too. Pocket 3 offers support for higher frame rates and more professional picture profiles. You can now capture crisp slow motion in 4K at 120 fps, while the Pocket 2 is limited to 4K at 60 fps. Additionally, the D-Log or HLG profiles provide increased dynamic range and flexibility in post-color editing, allowing creators to achieve their desired look with more precision. Its compact size allows it to fit into your pocket, making it always ready to go with minimal effort. Simply turn the screen to power it on and start recording. Other than that, the ergonomics are excellent, and this camera is a delight to use. The user interface is highly intuitive, smooth, and responsive, while the screen is 2 inches large and easy to use and see. One more reason to consider buying the Pocket 3 is its longer battery life and super fast charging speeds. It is equipped with a larger 1,300 mAh battery that can provide 2.5 hours of usage on a single charge, depending on the filming mode. When shooting a combination of shorter clips and a few longer ones at 4K 24 fps and some 4K 120 fps, I can easily use it for a full day. Additionally, it now supports fast charging, reaching 80% in just 16 minutes and 100% in 32 minutes. For extended runtime, an optional battery handle can increase usage by about 60%. Should you buy or not? If you're looking for a point-and-shoot or action camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and similar all-in-one cameras may not be the best choice. A point-and-shoot camera offers true optical zoom and higher pixels for better still images. On the other hand, for intense action, an action camera like the Osmo Action would be more suitable due to its increased ruggedness and waterproof rating. It also offers more mounting options without the risk of the camera falling off. Although the Osmo Action the 4th of May not perform as well in low light, it has excellent stabilization and features the same 10-bit D-Log-M, along with a wider field of view. I would gladly purchase the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for $519.